Hello and welcome back to the rebuilding of the Wild Trip. I'm going to try and make things a little more interesting in this video. The other two videos I was kind of reserved and just informal. Just trying to share this with people that care, because these boats are out here and they're usually very cheap or free, and it's just hard work. There's some knowledge to be had, but anybody can do this. So yesterday was another big successful day. So the stringers are completely filleted or filleted, or however you want to say it. I did a quick coat of resin on both sides and one full layer of chopped strand mat. You can see the chopped strand on top. Very, very strong. This the resin that I'm using is made by these people, Palmer Planet. I'm very impressed with it. So this would be a good day in itself, but I did much more than that. Yesterday I also cut all the ribs, the front bulkhead. Those 2x4s up there, well, they're not 2x4s anymore. They're fitted to what I like to call the gunwales. Goes all the way along. And there's the floor, all cut out and fit. It looks awesome. And the plan today is to bed in all these pieces, cap them, and that's a lot for today.